Welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Mystery Cash, and this is my channel. This is brand new channel. How to make with cryptocurrency or make money online. So please subscribe to the channel and give your thumbs up and like if you want. So this is my projects. So if you want to join the mine lab, I recommend for the Bitcoin mining platform. Is the best current mining platform, or the BNB Cube, the best BNB mining platform. And also the this project is free. You can join and claim the bounty. And recently I have published some free airdrops on Binance and the the Solidus free airdrop. But today I will represent another kind of airdrop, a free airdrop and free crypto. This free airdrop and free crypto comes in apps. So first we have for the free crypto and free airdrop. Basically you need to mine your token or your airdrop. So this is I will represent 3 or 4. So please watch this video until the end and join the project if you want. So first is the zeus net, but first let's go to the Telegram. They have already too much users, but I will explain how the works. First you must download their app. I will put also the link in description. First must to download the app, then you must sign up, and I think you must confirm your email. And also to start here, I didn't have started yet, but to start in the email you will receive from them, you will receive a code for your transaction, your PIN transaction code. So basically you will copy from your mail, you will paste it here, and you will create your own. After that, to claim this free crypto and free airdrop, you must mine. So to activate this mining and claiming the free crypto and the free airdrop, as you can see, there is a button start mining, but the app is not working. So as you can see, please transfer to another wallet first. But also if you go to Trust Wallet, you will see that the token is already listed, and this airdrop or free crypto, this is the token, the zeus token, but you cannot transfer to Trust Wallet. So you must have some address of your referral from their wallet, the zeus wallet. Here, this is my zeus wallet. Also you must send your first get token from them to be able to start mining. So I didn't have started yet, but I will use a referral code, some of my referrals. So I will put mine. If you want to use mine, use it. If you don't, ask some of your referrals to give their wallet address from the app to first the first zeus. No need to transfer all, but 0.99, for example. Let's see, it will work. Then you must create a code, yes, the PIN code, and after that the transfer is successful. let's see this free airdrop, free miner site will start earning. So after this I didn't transfer correct amount, but I think you need to transfer all your crypto to another wallet. You will receive one zeus. So how much you have it, transfer to some of your referrals, or your I will pass on my address if you want transfer there, just to start mining, because you cannot start mine the free airdrop and the free tokens here if you don't send to someone's wallet. So basically that's the rules how to start the claiming the free airdrop and the free crypto here, but waiting to start mining. So let's see. My miner is started to working. So basically I start to mine this free airdrop and free token, the free zeus token. So anyway, you don't lose anything. You get one zeus token, but you must transfer to someone's address to to be able to start mining. So first you copy your PIN transaction from your mail. After confirmation, you pass here from the mail, you create your own and confirm it. Then you create your own password to be able to make transactions, and that's it. After that you send to the wallet, if you want copy from description from my address or some of your referrals. After that everything depends on your referrals and the mining speed, yes, and every 24 hours you will be able to mine. I don't know, I just started, so maybe one or two zeus token. So after that, when goes to wallet everything, you will be able to transfer to when you have a certain amount, you can transfer it in your trust wallet and swap and I don't know what, sell or something. So the second, I have for this free airdrop and free token, also this is mining projects. I have selected the rabbit network, but for the free airdrop and the free tokens here, you must pass the codes, the QIC. So basically the QIC you can start earning here, yes, but you will find on their Twitter will be an announcement where you can verify your account. So without that your token is useless, but until they announce they make an announcement for QIC verification, you can mine some free tokens and free crypto from this free crypto mining platform. So this free crypto mining platform and free airdrop works like a miner, yes. Just need to press this start button and watch to boost. You can boost also, yes. Have 3 short ads, and that's basically you can mine double from your speed. But to claim this free airdrop and free mining airdrop site, you must boost your mining, and you can refer people to be able to earn more after. But the QIC is important. and also this token can be sold on two exchanges. You will see soon where, for example, this token can be sold. Let's see. This token, I think I need to go to Twitter to see, but wait. And yes, also you can find on Telegram and read about more their token, how to verify and how to withdraw and how to make money on this. But basically 100 rabbit is $5, so that you can make depends from your referral or your how much you're active in the app. So the next free airdrop and free crypto mining platform who has a huge potential also is the Star token. Just need to to make account. I will put links in description, but you must check on this button for further updates on the app, and just as you can see, no update. You must check the platform for new updates, and basically every 24 hours you must press this button to run and start earning. As you can see, I have already $300, so it's not a little. So basically you can earn $10 per day, or I don't know, depends everything from your speed. And for 13 days I have $368, so it's not a bad. But this token will be launched in less than two months. So if you start now, for 2 months you will have more than $2,000. So basically the free crypto and the free mining airdrop site and the free airdrops all come into platforms like mining. Also here I have the over wallet. The over wallet is on points, yes, but still you can earn when he depends on your points. You just need to verify your account and have 3 missions every day who need to pass the daily quiz, which is one question, and to get the points, and after that you will receive, when the time will over, according to points you will get tokens. So basically you can find them also on the Telegram, and and discover how this free crypto and free airdrop, how much they worth, and when they will be launched. Next is the chat AI, also this free airdrop and free token. You can mine, it's working like a mining platform. Also you can earn $10 per day, depends on your speed. But here also must wait the update, the platform to be updated and pass the QIC. So basically to be able to transfer your token. But this all three projects I represent, you can go find them in Telegram, but to follow them when they will be launched. But all three will be no more than 2 months. So 1 or 2 months you have time to mine this free airdrop and free token just for yourself, and depends everything from you, how much you will mine or earn. So I forgot the chat AI. Wait. So this is the group, the chat AI global. You can I will pass link in description if you want to join guys. So this is a future crypto airdrops and on the token, and you can mine, and you have time 1 to 2 months to mine for yourself. So if you want to join, that's it. My pass is over, my time is over, passed all. So if you want to join the free crypto mining platforms and the free crypto mining airdrops, you are welcome guys. I will put links in description, in comments, everywhere. So if you want to come to my Telegram group, come. I will provide more answers there. So bye guys.